Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This laptop is HP 15 FD0050NE model, 15.6 inch screen. It comes with a smooth touchpad, big size. Comes with a Core i5 processor, 13th generation, and a 2 GB graphic card, NVIDIA MX570, 2 GB graphic card. And power button you can see here. The big size keyboard with a number pad. Comes with the backlight keyboard. The logo you can see, backlight logo. Comes with a backlight keyboard and 15.6 inches full HD screen. Comes with a camera with a privacy shutter, built-in mic. It has 8 GB memory and 512 GB SSD M.2 NVMe, 15.6 inch screen and silver color. These are the ports on side: USB 3.0, HDMI, Type C, headphone jack combo, 2-in-1, 3.5 mm. And other side you can see power button, power pin and one USB port. It's a slim design, lightweight, 15.6 inch screen. Power adapter you can see 65 watts, round pin, blue pin, 65 watts. It has a Windows 11 Home Edition. You can see this is the backside design. Very good laptop for personal use and small office business use, and for student also. i5 processor, 8 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD, 2 GB NVIDIA graphic card. This is a basic laptop in dedicated graphic card models. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel.